What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in yet again to the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project. Hopefully there's been a lot of progress. Let's go. And hello again, Islands of Adventure. We're gonna head inside in just a minute, but I want to go over to Tucson and check out that cute robotic dog, Latte, again. Let's do it now.
Have a dog with her. What do you do with your
I think she's doing a good job. Oh, me too, I think so. Whoa. Do you have any tricks that you
I don't mind the steam. You see, she runs off with coffee. That just means she's working. She's not steaming. Somebody call the veterinarian.
That's cute, I like that one.
So Latte can interact with guests. They just gave a signal to speak, and Latte spoke.
Did you see Latte?
I don't have any favourites.
Isn't she fantastic?
Without looking at everyone, it's hot.
It is.
Alright, so now back to Islands. Ticket windows are a little bit busier than normal, per se. Turnstiles on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open. The parks did hit capacity earlier today, but now they've reopened. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. The park is open until 8. We can see 65 minutes for Spider-Man. Seuss Trolley is 45 minutes. Man, park is busy. Carousel, 15 minutes. You can see Hogwarts Express, 50 minutes. 60 minutes for Popeye and Bluto's. Jurassic Park River Adventure was 65 minutes. P-Flyers at 30 minutes. Forbidden Journey at 60 minutes. Crazy times right now. Ah, yes, the Jurassic roller coaster project. It's looking good, and crews are continuing with the pull-through. We can see a partial train going up backwards on the top hat. Hopefully by the end of tonight, they'll be at the very top. Alright, so the 3 guys that were on the lift and on the top hat have come down. Crane is still up there, but the line is slack. And then they have an actual tether to the train. It's about maybe halfway up the top hat right now. And I'm not sure if they're going to have to reposition or what. We do have some weather on the way. Hopefully that doesn't hinder them any bit. We do have some big forms of rebar right over here, so it looks like we're getting something new right here at the entrance. Alright, so now we're over here by the Jurassic Park River Adventure, and to be honest, nothing looks different from yesterday. Maybe a couple of the tarps are taken down in certain areas, but from what I can see, not much. I will say this, I see some new supports there for netting. A few of the employee signatures are still on this beam, but I'm expecting primer on it soon. Yeah, I think it's a little bit busy when they have overflow queue outside of Jurassic Park River Adventure, and this is being utilized. Same with the Raptor encounter. Crazy busy. First show building is looking good, along with that tunnel leading from the station. And there we can see crews at the top of the top hat, and again that partial train. last update, the train was right about there. So considering how far they've gone in the last 24 hours, pretty impressive. Here we are now in front of the rumored locker area for Forbidden Journey, and you might notice something interesting. This side is themed to pretty much like what we see Wall City for the Jurassic roller coaster project, but the other side might be themed to Harry Potter and Forbidden Journey. We'll let you know. Nothing new over here. The brackets are still on the support for netting. The work walls are back up, as the crane will not be needed over here anymore.
I think that's the roller coaster on the track.
That's scary. Juicy up.
Again, how busy was it today at Islands and Universal? Well, Hagrid's is back to using a virtual queue. There's my construction fish. Oh, how nice of all of you guys to come say hi. Well, it appears they may be moving the crane. The lift with all the employees is coming down, and so is the big crane. The lights have turned on. So yes, might have to do a little shifting with the equipment. Since the park is open until 8 p.m., we're actually seeing this site with construction lights on. A first for us. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project. And I am happy to say crews were very busy doing the partial pull-through test with one of the trains. As we can see, it stopped up on the top hat. I think that's because of rain. Honestly, we had a lot of weather and that delayed them. I think they were trying to get to the very top tonight. Now, will they still do that? Who knows? Maybe sometime late, like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. We'll see. Otherwise, we're going to be back here tomorrow morning for another update. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.